Oh guys, whoa. I hit this one big. Look at this. Whoa. Look at the feather. Alright. Do you think I'm gonna easily give up on you? Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. In my previous vlog, I was making a beaver's trap. So today, let's see whether we can get anything or not. And so if we didn't get, not a problem. So we're gonna hunt some birds and squirrels. I got my sniper with 50 caliber ammo. Alright guys, unfortunately it didn't trigger. Not a problem. I can build another trap at the other side. And it's wet by the dew drops. Alright. This is the problem, guys. Look at this. See? This is the hole. Look, this is the wire. So it didn't show the tamarind. Unfortunately, he was filling up this particular hole, so we didn't get. So guys, it's quite a challenge. So I did that side. Now I'm gonna do this side because this one is new. This one is new, like from yesterday, I guess. So I'm gonna make a trap here today. Alright guys, let's go and hunt some birds, squirrels. Alright guys, got one. Oh guys, whoa. I hit this one big. Look at this. Whoa. Look at the feather. Whoa. Awesome. Oh, luckily. The tail. I'm gonna keep it for decoration. I miss it, yaar. I miss it. Right in the beak. Got it. Alright guys. Got one bird. Same bird. Look at this. Wow. Headshot. Right in the headshot. Alright. I shot this one down before. Look at this. Okay. Alright. This is it. This is for today. I'm searching for other beavers hole, but I didn't get. These days it's getting rare, so that is the only one that I found. So I was searching this whole area, but I couldn't find. If I find, I'm gonna make every trap. That's my plan, but I'm only sticking to that one, yeah. What's happening? Do you think I'm gonna easily give up on you? No, I'm not gonna give up. And now I'll keep 2 hooks. One this side and one this side. So whatever way you came, if you came this way, I'll keep here hook. If you came this way, I'll keep one here. 2 hooks, and in the middle, you will bite something. So I finished making this. If the beaver came this side, it's gonna trigger this one, and if the beaver came other side, I have one here, and this one here, and this. Alright, let's close it up now. Okay guys, I'm done. Alright, we'll see. We'll come back again and see for it. It's all fit. Alright, let's go home now. Alright, so thank you for watching guys. So we'll come back tomorrow to check it out. I hope this time we'll get it. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be uploading more content like this, hunting videos. So I'll give you an update. Alright, bye.